Flooding across the country, and now supposed flood control projects in the budget are making waves. More than 142 billion pesos in alleged insertions are raising eyebrows, with some senators saying those projects may be more fiction than fact. Dexter Ganibe of Abante Radio with the details.
Flooding is everywhere. Areas were affected by the southwest monsoon, but there are some by insertions. The 2025 General Appropriations Act is allegedly flooded with insertions. Documents obtained by Politico.com show a big chunk of the insertions went to alleged bogus flood control and infra projects. When it rains, it pours, and just like torrential rains, a staggering 142.7 billion peso insertions were allegedly made during the Bicameral Conference Committee of the 19th Congress under the leadership of Senate President Francis Escudero, which he defended in one of his press conference at the Senate.
May mga proposed amendments ang mga senador at ang mga mambabatas sa Kamara man o sa Senado na dumaan sa proseso ng amendments. Kung saan mang lugar yon, nakalagay naman sa budget lahat.
Escudero is right. More than 12 billion pesos were allotted for infra and flood control projects in Bulacan. Another more than 9.1 billion peso went to his hometown, the province of Sorsogon. But Senator Joel Villanueva, who is from Bulacan, belied that there are such infra and flood mitigation projects in his province, as relayed to him by the Bulacan DPWH, and he will raise the issue during the budget deliberations in the coming months. If Bulacan didn't have the projects specified at the 2025 GAA, the question now is, where did the budget go? Tito Soto, returning senator for 20th Congress, wanted to straighten the mangled 2025 national budget come regular session. He made sure whether he will be in the majority or minority bloc to make things right for the 2026 national budget. Dexter Ganibe, Abante Radio.